For today, we're going to work on shoulder mobility. We're going to be belly down, head down. You're going to extend your arm forward and back, and we're going to switch hands forward and back. Now, if you want, you could put a pillow under your forehead, make it a little bit more comfortable for you. But we're alternating arms, reaching overhead and bring it back under. Switch sides, bring it back in. Very good. And extend out. We're going to do some reps up and down. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together on every rep. Very good. Up and down. Focus on squeezing those shoulder blades back on every repetition. Very good. We're going to place the arms in front, lift your chest and head up, and hand behind the head and roll. Now, if this is uncomfortable for you, you can keep your arm down and open up as best as you can. Very good. We're working on opening up the thoracic part of your back. Very good. One more time. Up and squeeze and drop back down. Switching sides. Very good. Opening it up. Drop down and open and rotate. On every rep, you want to try to open up a little bit more on every rep. Very good. Place your arms back down, extrude one hand forward, and we're going to work on scorpions. We're going to rotate at the hips, and we're going to try to open up on every rep. Try to kick far back as you can, keeping your opposite arm fully extended. Very good. We're going to work on these scorpions. Very good. And we're going to put the other arm out, switching sides. And the goal is to open up that lower back. We're going to kick over and across. Now, if you are able to get your foot to tap the floor, that's great. If not, stay within your ability. Very good. On each rep, trying to open up a little bit further. Very nice. Arms back out in front. Chest up tall, head all the way up, and bring your arms behind, and we're going to do swimmers. We're going to bring it up and forward, back and forward, and you're going to arch your chest and head up on every rep. Very good. This is a swimmer movement. We're going to put the arms forward and bring them back. Bring them forward and squeeze your shoulders back on every rep and bring it back. Very nice. Plant the hands down, and we're going to move into T, Y, and I's. This exercise mimics the alphabet. Make a T, bring it up, make a Y, and bring it all the way in and make a I. Now, the eyes might be a little uncomfortable. You could stay alternating between T's and Y's if you're unable to get your hands all the way out in front. We're going to open up to a T, a Y, bring it in, and make an I. Now, a modifier would be to stay in the T and the Y position if your shoulder lacks the mobility to reach all the way overhead. Very good. We're going to move on to alternating swimmers. We're going to lift one leg and one palm, opposite sides, lift as high as you can. Very good. You're going to lift your opposite arm and opposite leg, lift as high as you can. Very good. Alternating the reps, up and down, up and down, and up and down and up, down. One more time, and then we're going to bring both hands underneath and press into Cobra. If you can't go on your palms, staying on the elbows is perfectly fine. We're going to rock back into child pose. We're going to finish here in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.